The corn snake is a creature of mystery and grace, often misunderstood yet deeply admired by those who know it well. These snakes are known for their calm demeanor, making them one of the most popular choices for pet enthusiasts. Unlike their more aggressive relatives, corn snakes are non-venomous, posing no threat to humans, which adds to their appeal as household companions. They possess an elegance in their movements, a trait that captivates the attention of both young and old. Corn snakes are often the first reptilian pet for many due to their manageable size and docile nature. They have a way of weaving themselves into the hearts of their owners, creating bonds that last a lifetime. As we delve into the life of a corn snake, we'll explore their origins, life stages, and the unique characteristics that make them special. By understanding their journey, we can appreciate the silent beauty and complex simplicity of the corn snake. Corn snakes are native to the southeastern United States, where they thrive in a variety of habitats. They are frequently found in overgrown fields, forest edges, and abandoned buildings, where they hunt for their preferred prey rodents. Their name comes from the old practice of finding them in cornfields where they controlled rodent populations and helped early farmers. Historically, corn snakes have been revered for their role in pest control, quietly patrolling fields and barns. Despite their beneficial nature, myths and misconceptions have often clouded their reputation, associating them with more dangerous snake species. In the wild, corn snakes are adaptable and resilient, able to survive in diverse environments. Their orange and brown patterned scales help them blend into their surroundings, making them effective hunters and elusive prey. Understanding their historical context helps us appreciate the corn snake's role in its ecosystem and its enduring relationship with humans. The life of a corn snake begins in a cluster of leathery eggs hidden away in a safe, warm environment. Female corn snakes lay between 10 to 30 eggs, which incubate for about 2 months before hatching. The hatchlings emerge as miniature versions of their parents, already equipped with the instincts necessary for survival. From the moment they break free, they are independent and capable of fending for themselves. Hatchlings are immediately on the hunt for small prey, such as newborn mice, which provide the necessary nutrients for growth. This period is marked by frequent shedding, as their skin cannot keep up with their expanding bodies. Their instinct to hide and their cryptic coloration help them blend into their surroundings, providing protection from predators. The journey from a delicate hatchling to a robust juvenile is a crucial phase that sets the stage for the rest of the corn snake's life. As corn snakes grow, they undergo a series of fascinating transformations. Shedding or ecdysis occurs several times a year, especially during their first few years of life, allowing them to replace old skin and accommodate their increasing size. The diet of a corn snake evolves as they mature. Hatchlings feed on small prey, while adults consume larger rodents and occasionally birds or lizards. In captivity, corn snakes are typically fed pre-killed mice or rats, which provide balanced nutrition. Owners must adjust prey size as their snake grows to ensure proper nourishment. Growth is not just physical, but also a journey of adaptation and learning. Corn snakes become more adept hunters and develop a deeper understanding of their environment. They learn to navigate their surroundings with greater confidence, honing their skills as efficient predators. This period of growth is crucial for their survival, preparing them for the challenges of adult life. One of the most captivating aspects of corn snakes is the incredible variety of colors and patterns they exhibit. Known as morphs, these variations are the result of selective breeding, creating a real kaleidoscope of possibilities. From the classic wild type to striking albinos and scaleless varieties, corn snake morphs offer something for every enthusiast. These morphs are a testament to the genetic diversity of the species and have contributed to their popularity in the pet trade. The existence of so many morphs has also sparked interest in genetic research, improving breeding practices. Each snake is a unique work of art, a living testament to the beauty of evolution and selective breeding. The variety of corn snake morphs is a celebration of nature's creativity and the endless possibilities of life. Caring for a corn snake is a rewarding experience, but it requires knowledge and commitment. The first step is providing an appropriate habitat, a secure enclosure with proper heating, humidity, and hiding spots. Corn snakes are adept escape artists, so their enclosure must be escape-proof. Temperature regulation is crucial, with a warm side around 85 degrees Fahrenheit and a cooler side around 75. Humidity should be maintained at 40 to 50% to ensure proper shedding. A shallow water dish for soaking can help maintain humidity. Feeding is another important aspect. Corn snakes should be fed pre-killed mice or rats appropriate to their size. Young snakes may eat weekly, while adults can be fed every 10 to 14 days. Monitor their health and adjust feeding schedules as needed. Regular handling helps your corn snake become accustomed to human interaction, making them more comfortable and less stressed. With the right care, corn snakes can thrive and become wonderful companions. Maintaining the health and hygiene of a corn snake is essential for their longevity. Corn snakes are generally hardy, but they can still fall victim to common reptilian ailments like respiratory infections, mites, and skin conditions. Regular cleaning of their enclosure and monitoring for signs of illness are key to preventing problems. Spotting symptoms early, such as wheezing or shedding issues, leads to quicker treatment and recovery. The average lifespan of a corn snake is 15 to 20 years, making them a serious commitment. Regular veterinary checkups help ensure your snake remains healthy throughout its life. A balanced diet, proper habitat conditions, and attentive care are the cornerstones of a long, healthy life. Hygiene is equally important. Clean the enclosure regularly and provide fresh water to prevent bacteria growth. Substrate should be replaced often and waste cleaned up promptly. Good hygiene practices benefit your snake's health and enhance their overall quality of life. As corn snakes age, they undergo subtle changes that signal the twilight of their lives. They may become less active and their feeding habits may change, signs of natural aging. Providing a peaceful, stress-free environment helps ease this transition, ensuring their final days are spent in comfort. Older corn snakes may require more frequent health checks and a diet tailored to their changing needs. As they age, their immune system may weaken, making them more susceptible to illness. Being attentive to these changes helps provide the best care possible. The bond between an owner and their snake often deepens during this time, as shared experiences become a cherished legacy. The end of a corn snake's life is a moment of reflection and respect for the journey shared. When a corn snake passes, it leaves behind a legacy of knowledge and experience that can guide future snake owners. Caring for a corn snake is a journey of discovery and companionship. These gentle creatures offer a unique perspective on the natural world, teaching patience and respect for all living things. Their silent presence can bring joy and wonder, showcasing the beauty of the reptilian kingdom. From their vibrant colors to their calm demeanor, corn snakes are a joy to care for and a privilege to behold. The legacy of a corn snake is one of quiet influence and lasting memories. By caring for them, we learn about the delicate balance of life and the responsibilities that come with it. The journey of a corn snake is not just about survival, but also about connection and shared experiences. Caring for a corn snake is more than a hobby. It's a journey of growth, learning, and love.